cartwheel. To record you guys talking.
Ooh.
Go girl. Go girl. Go.
She's scared to a little bit.
Oh, she's going to the bottom to get the rings.
Jen.
Wait. Woo! Good job, Haley.
Jen, hey. What's this?
Haley, that was...
Did he get enough on the croquet?
Okay, I'll count.
Peekaboo! Watch where you're going.
They can just really hold their breath for a long time.
Longest Haley's done is
Look.
Wow.
Haley, Maya, Mia, and Annette. Let's boogie boogie. Haley, here. Don't go till Carol says on your mark, get set, go. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Do your dive here. Okay. On your marks. Get set, go. Good dive, Haley. Go, go, go.
I'm getting tired.
She does. I love it except for when you try to play a game with her.
I win.
Well, in the winter, that's all we'll be doing when they wake up.
Good luck.
Mom, yes.
I cannot tell you, we always have to just,
Buddy,
a lot of times just have to put the games away because she gets flying if you win and we put it away.
I'm the winner. We're all the winner. No,
Yeah, you're all winners. Yay.
we're all the winners, Haley.
Here's yours. Oh, watch your foot. Good kicking, Haley. On your bum. Go.
Oh my goodness.
Let's do a dive through the hole. Okay, I want you to do a dive through the hole. Hey, go ahead, Maya. Go. Jump. Okay, do a dive. Go, Haley, dive. Woo! Well, you can try or just jump through it.
So cute.
She's come so far in one season.
I know, so far. Whoa.
Someday she'll do like 20, 30 jumps like this.
Yeah.
And she's like hardly making it to the side, but she won't stop.
Yeah. Oh, to press
Oh,
like
that's pretty far,
record.
girlfriend. You're going to have to dive.
Isn't it
Dive.
on?
Mhm.
Oh, that was good.
See? Can you see Haley in there?
Okay? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Go swim in the deep end. Quick, catch your wave.
Catch a wave, Haley.
Go get a wave.
Go catch a wave, silly girl. That's cute. Yeah. At least you have that big curtain. So does it still get water spotted under there? Oh, Haley, that's so cool. Did you hear?
The ledge so you can jump up. Yeah. Now jump up. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let go for a second, Haley. I gotta bring that net. Because Maya needs to jump. You got it? Okay, good. All right, here we go. 2 hands, Haley. 2 hands. 2 hands. You got it?
Peekaboo.
Everywhere.
Mia.
Huh? I have it. Here, stand over here, Mia.
How fast do you want me to go?
I know.
One more